Tired of scrambling through endless paper trails and confusing digital portals just to find your bank statements? Well, stay tuned, because in just a few minutes, you'll completely master the art of accessing and downloading your Chase bank statements effortlessly. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're taking something that honestly feels like a digital chore and turning it into a total breeze. Seriously though, let's ditch the filing cabinets and the endless clicking around website menus. We've all been there, right? Frantically searching for that one specific statement for a mortgage application or tax prep? Not anymore. We're going to get you totally sorted out right here, right now. All right, let's dive into our roadmap for today. We'll start with why digital statements actually matter, then move on to accessing your Chase account, followed by a detailed step-by-step download guide. After that, we'll troubleshoot some common issues, talk about organizing your data, and wrap it all up with a few final tips. Part 1. Why digital statements matter. Reclaiming control of your financial health. You know, going fully digital is an absolute game changer. For starters, having those digital records lets you monitor your spending way more accurately, and it literally makes tax season a breeze. Plus, checking these regularly means you can spot errors or fraudulent activity super early. And hey, nobody wants to pay those pesky paper statement fees, right? They're usually around $3 a pop. Ditching those instantly boosts your bottom line and your overall financial literacy. Moving on to part 2, accessing your Chase account. Navigating the prerequisites. Okay, let's lay the groundwork. First things first, head over to chase.com on your computer or just open up the Chase mobile app. Step 2, pop in your unique username and password. And step 3, hit sign in. Boom, you're in. That's your first micro victory right there. Now, real quick, if you don't actually have an online account yet, you'll just need to register on the homepage using some basic info like your address, email, and social security number. But hey, what if you hit a roadblock right at the start? Like you forgot your password? Do not panic. Just click that forgot username/password link right there on the sign-in page. It'll walk you through a few super quick on-screen verification steps just to prove it's really you, and then you get to pick a new secure password. It's totally frictionless and gets you right back on track. All right, part 3, step-by-step download guide, executing the core process. So the crucial thing here is knowing exactly where to click. Once you're staring at your desktop dashboard, you're going to click the main menu. That's the little icon with the 3 horizontal lines up in the top left corner. From that slide-out menu, select Statements and Documents. Next, just pick the specific account you're looking for, like your checking or savings, and choose the year. Finally, click the Open or Save icon right next to the statement you need. It'll download straight to your computer as an official PDF. Easy, right? Now, if you're on the go and using your phone, it is just as smooth. Open the app, tap Profile and Settings in the top right corner. From the Document Manager, select Statements and Documents. And just like on a computer, you pick your account, select the year, and tap Open or Save. The PDF downloads right to your device for you to view instantly. Actually, I want to clear something up real quick, because this trips people up all the time. The difference between downloading a PDF statement and exporting a CSV file. Official PDF statements lock in the bank's exact layout. You absolutely need these for things like official records, audits, or applying for a mortgage. You can also grab a CSV spreadsheet of your transactions from the Account Activity tab, which is great for budgeting. But here's the catch. Chase only keeps a rolling window of recent transactions for that CSV export. Once they age out, they're gone from that tool. That's exactly why pulling those official monthly PDFs is an absolute must. Part 4. Troubleshooting common issues. Bypassing frustrating roadblocks. 6 years. I really want you to lock this number in your head. Even if you close a Chase account, they typically let you log in to access your statements for up to 6 years after closure. So if you recently shut down an account, your old login probably still works just for grabbing that historical data. So let's troubleshoot some common hiccups. Missing statements? Double-check that your contact info is right and that you're officially opted in to paperless statements. Closed account, but you can still log in? Use Chase's internal secure messaging system to ask for what you need. Now, if your records are older than 6 years and got purged from the system, you'll actually have to call customer service or drop by a branch. Just make sure you have your social security number and a photo ID on hand. And guys, please never use regular email to ask for sensitive documents. It's just not secure. Always stick to Chase's encrypted messaging. Part 5. Organizing your financial data. Making your data work for you. Now, to turn all this raw data into a powerhouse personal finance system, please don't just leave these files rotting in your downloads folder. Save them into securely labeled folders on your computer. Sort them by year, month, and account. something like Chase_checking_05-2026. Honestly, set a quick calendar reminder on your phone to download your new statements every single month. And when you get them, reconcile those transactions against your receipts right away. If you see something weird or unauthorized, dispute it with Chase immediately. Being organized is literally your best defense against fraud. Oh, and a quick pro tip for the freelancers, small business owners, or heavy spreadsheet nerds out there. If you've got those official PDFs but really need the data in a spreadsheet for QuickBooks or Excel, look into specialized third-party tools. Platforms like Accounter or DocuClipper are built specifically to safely pull transaction rows out of bank PDFs and turn them into clean CSV files. It'll save you hours of manual data entry, for sure. Almost done. Part 6, final tips and disclaimer. Securing your financial future. 7 years. This is our other magic number today. For your active accounts, Chase generally holds on to online bank statements for up to 7 years. That makes your portal a massive historical resource. But listen, do not rely entirely on the bank servers. Always download and save your own copies locally just to be safe. And before we wrap up, a quick professional note. Everything in this explainer is strictly for educational purposes. I'm here to explain the process, but I am definitely not your personal financial advisor. So always consult your financial institution or a certified pro for advice tailored to your specific accounts. Well, there we have it. We've walked right through the digital doors of your bank, pulled down the vital records, and organized the whole shebang for success. So now that you've got the tools to expertly navigate your finances, what hidden insights are you going to discover in your next bank statement? Are you finally going to catch that forgotten subscription or realize you're actually saving way more than you thought? Dive in, take control, and uncover the story your money is trying to tell you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy downloading.